everyone and everything. Welcome to Tetay Can Cook. And if Tetay can cook, so can you. Yes, indeed, that's true. All you need is to watch and learn from my YouTube channel. Please keep on watching because I'm going to cook a sumptuous meal. So, what are you waiting for? In this video, magluluto ako ng masarap na ulam, ang binagoongang baboy or pork shrimp paste. Find out kung paano natin ito gagawin hindi masyadong maalat. Here are the ingredients. Let's start by sautéing the garlic until golden brown. Nag-iisa na ako, naggigisa na pala ako. Sibuyas or onions is next. Wait for it to be transparent. Kumbaga sa tao, walang tinatago. Kamatis naman ang isusunod natin. Medyo matagal lutuin ng kamatis. Kailangan dagdagan ng mantika. Piga-pigain hanggang sa mapaamin. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Malamang ang susunod natin ay ang alamang. Pero no need siyang hugasan, choose yung matabang. Old rose ang kulay, not the pink one. Yes, yes, yo! Next na natin ang baboy na nanlambot na sa kakakulo. My brother is not a pig! Konting MSG, tak tak tak. Lalagay naman natin ngayon ang pork stock o ang pinagpakuluan ng baboy. Mas malasa instead of water. Haluin para even, alis ang dikit sa ilalim. Perfect ang pork cause it's tender, but kalamansi pampasarap din. Simmer until most of the water has boiled away. Or antaying matuyo ang sabaw bago ilagay ang ating sili. Pwede na nating hinaan ang apoy. At bantayan natin para hindi masunog. Tikman na muna natin. Oops! Alat pa rin. Kaya nga lalagyan natin siya ng asukal. What I used here is muscovado sugar. Mas madali kasi siyang matunaw at mag-caramelize. Pero kung anong mas prefer nyo, pwede rin naman.
Lalagyan naman natin ng suka para hindi masyado maalat. Di ba, Ate Tetay?
Tama, Pupsi. Katapos na, papakuluan natin ng ilang minuto ng walang takip. Saka lang natin hahaluin kapag nakita nating natuyuan na ang sabaw. Pag hinahalo nyo, siguraduhin yung mas-scrape yung mga nasa ilalim na nakadikit. Yun nga pala, nakakatulong din yan para hindi masyadong maalat ang ating binagoongang baboy. For those na ayaw or hindi kaya ang maanghang, you can set aside the sili. But if you like it chili, you can skip this procedure. Pwede pa nga kayong gumamit ng siling labuyo or chili powder. Perfect na siya for me. Whoa, you will need to say, extra rice please. My version of binagoongang baboy or pork shrimp paste. Now, it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Bye! See you next time!
Want to know how? Watch. I forgot. Wait, ano ba? I'm going to show you how to cook yung masarap na binagoongang baboy. Wait, ano na? Parang ang dami ng laway eh.
Your mind becomes fast as lightning.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And hit the... Ulit. Give me a break, okay?